Welcome to WealthValue. This is part 2 of 7 passive income ideas you can start today. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Now, number 5 on the list is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a process of recommending a product using either a link or a coupon code in order to make money. It's like being the middleman in a negotiation. As a thank you, the company gives you a percentage of the sale or whatever they offer as a reward, and the customer doesn't get charged a cent extra. Similar to how a lot of YouTubers promote Raid Shadow Legends, use their coupon code, or G Fuel in that case. The creators get a certain percentage of the sale, and it's no cost extra. You actually get a discount on your purchase using their coupon code. Or like Fortnite. You know how Fortnite used my creator code, and every time you buy a pack, a certain percentage goes back to them. So you're thinking, how do I go about affiliate marketing? Well, you can begin learning from YouTube channels or courses with back results and a community that's in a group chat, a Facebook group, or something along those lines. The reason I would recommend a group chat with a certain course or Facebook chat or Instagram, whatever the case may be, or channel, is to be able to work with others that may or may not be having similar troubles and fixes along their way to build an affiliate marketing income. There are plenty of courses out there that will show you results, yet when it comes to the course, there really isn't anything informational that you could have learned from a free source. The pros are, if you have a genuine heart to help, you can make a great living if you get down to the marketing. If you understand human psychology and how to grab the visitor's attention, then you can possibly make an incredible amount. And there are various sources where you can promote different products, such as Digistore, 24, ClickBank, even Amazon affiliates. If you look on TikTok right now, there are a lot of different TikTokers promoting affiliate products, and when you buy from that specific code, they get a certain commission when you buy from it, at no extra cost to you, of course. The only cons would be the fact that it does have a learning curve just like everything else. You have to learn about the marketing, how to structure emails, or just how to be creative on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube in that case. So that's really the only cons. Plus, you'll get people that don't necessarily enjoy your content, and I mean it's just how it is. You know, there's people that just aren't gonna like your stuff, but hey, I mean, that's life. Now for this, I would really, and I mean truthfully, recommend going on TikTok and finding the real Sergio Sixtos Jr. Now I've seen him from start to finish, or not even finished yet, but I've seen him when he's become an elementary middle school teacher, I believe, to now just becoming a full-time affiliate marketer, being able to spend more time with his family, and truly just being happy for the life that he's been able to build. He is very humble, down to earth, and you can truly learn a lot just from watching his page and following his advice. Second to last on this list is going to be the Instagram theme page. So what is that? It's an account with a certain niche attached to it. So cars, makeup, jewelry, houses, anything along those lines, anything that's in a very specific niche. And all you do is you post reels, regular posts, Instagram TV content, and you build an audience out of it that you can turn into a possible business, or for your own personal enjoyment, whichever one you prefer. Why should you start one? Well, it's free to start. You just need the internet, an email account, and a laptop for editing, or you can use your phone as well. How do I go about an Instagram theme page? Well, you can learn from YouTube channels. There are courses with good communities associated with them, with results, and you need to learn a little bit about that specific niche. Now, if you're already very head over heels over a niche, say like I am with cars, then it's basically second nature to you. So depending on what you want to go about, that's what else you would have to learn. Now you may be thinking, well, how do I get paid? I mean, I'm making an Instagram page, but for what? Well, various ways you can get paid is once you start growing a following, there will be people that would like to get shout outs on your page. You can charge however you want, depending on how many followers you have. You can also have an affiliate link on the bottom, a connection to a YouTube channel like this one, or even sell merchandise. I mean, there's so many ways you can go about it. The pros is it's extremely affordable to start. Entry is legitimately $0 to do, just like some other stuff on this list. And once you get enough money coming in, you can hire someone to manage the account and everything for you. I have a page that I'm currently running, and I will leave it in the description for you to go and check it out. Maybe even follow. It's the page for this WealthValue account. Now, the cons. It's not the fastest way to make money, but you can build a strong group of followers, and you're going to need to learn a lot, especially when it comes to content creation and what content works best. It's a lot of analysis and just doubling down on when content works. Now, last but not least is a YouTube channel. Now, why start a YouTube channel? Well, YouTube is a great way to spread information or make entertaining content and get paid for it from advertisers or sponsors. Not only would you be building an audience, you would be building a source of income and begin building a brand or personal audience. Now, when listening to all that, you may be thinking, well, how do I get paid from YouTube channels? Well, the first mark is you would need to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of total watch time. Now, that may sound like a lot, but YouTube's algorithm is pretty generous in showing content to people who may be interested. For example, this channel is about finances, wealth, and becoming financially independent. With the like and subscribe button down below, it takes less than 2 seconds to click both. Now, that helps the channel reach out to more people and therefore grows the channel, and just rinse and repeat in that type of sense. The ads that are on videos are from sponsors who paid to be there. So YouTube takes a cut from the sponsors and the rest goes to you or the channel. And PayPal is what I've seen primarily used for payments whenever they pay you out, but there may be more out there. It's just what I've seen the most. Now, the pros is you have a chance to build a massive following and begin earning a full-time income. If you decide to make a channel that can be outsourced, like a top 10 channel or most expensive items in the world, then you can hire people to make your channel and begin earning income passively, obviously after the requirements are met. Now, the cons. It can take a lot of work if you decide to do everything yourself. Learning how to add tags on videos and how to make high click-through thumbnails and how to learn the YouTube's algorithm are very time-consuming. But what I have down below is the same course that I'm using to learn about YouTube and how to go about it. From implementing the strategies and making information and helpful content, you'll be put into a Facebook group with everyone who has a course as well. And Matt, who's the owner of the page, does his best to answer any questions you may have. He's been truly helpful when it comes to just having questions, and there are students that post the results to show that they are becoming successful in their certain niche. And it's a very nice place to ask different questions in regards to how I go about it. So the link will be down below. That is an affiliate link to where if you do purchase a program, I do get a small commission from it, but it comes at no expense to you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe. And if we missed anything, please let us know down in the comments below.